guys, so I'm gonna have my favorite species since in middle school. This is like 3 years ago and it's still with me. Yeah, wait. I don't know what this song is, but I come on the small. Bye bye. Golden. This is golden fish for Oh my god. Take it off. It's like a slime. It's not a sticky thing. So I go to my inventory and I just find it. It's like a slime, but let's put activator in it. I open my squishy.
Ano yan?
Squishy. So I'm gonna put water on it. Kuya, look, I put water. Activator. That's it. Entirely.
Hindi yun activate.
Activator yan.
Hindi.
Gagawin ko na lang activator.
Hindi yung gagana.
Is look na. Naging ano siya, malambot. It's so, dapat nakiinuman na siguro si Lolo dahil, no? Nakiinuman na. Kuya, magpalakad na tayo.
Yeah.
Yun na, alas mo. Oh, it's a stick here. It's being sticky. Nakita ko kasi, nag-usap kasi. Ang ganda ko yung tinda. So I think it kinda sticky and then so this is the part where we're having a part 2. So bye bye.